As we just arrived at the villa. Look how beautiful. Oh yeah. Guys, we just arrived at the villa. How gorgeous is it?
Do you guys want a drink? We have
Dude, guys, look at this view.
Oh yes. Oh amazing.
Hiya. I'm good, you?
Welcome.
Nice to meet you, and Gary. Nice to meet you.
Magnus, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Welcome to corporate.
Oh, thank you so much.
Good, how are you? I know, I think
This is insane.
We're in Sweden!
Oh my god.
It's insane.
Wow.
This is our only date. Yeah. I think it was the 25th. Maybe we'll go on the 25th.
Guys, this is like insane. Sorry. So guys, I'm just about to head to bed. I had the most fabulous morning. I cannot believe I am in Stockholm, Switzerland. Wait, Sweden? Oh no, where I am, child. I'm whispering because I'm not sure what my friend. I'm not sure if she can hear me or not. But oh my god, it's so insane here. My room's a bit cold though. Guys, oh my god. So today we are going skiing. Literally just did like a quick little light beat. The view outside is absolutely crazy. I can't open my door, I'm not sure why. I don't know why, but yeah, this is the beat here. I'm speaking quietly because I'm not sure if my friend is awake yet. But yeah, I got up super early just because we're an hour ahead, but also the UK is behind, so I'm feeling a bit tired and definitely need a coffee. So let me show you the view. It's so beautiful. Like, how gorgeous is that? I can not cope.
Wet snow is not cool.
See the
To be able to do that, we have to put the toes in and
You can do it further up here.
It's like up there, we're going up on the...
Oh yes, yeah, no, of course, of course.
I don't think it's going to be a long ride.
oh, what are the tunnels for? Those? For skiing as well. You go.
Just on this lift. When I say this feels so surreal, it's crazy. Like, I feel like I'm in a movie right now. It's mad. Got Miss Caress doing her glam. Oh my god. I feel like it's getting cold out all.
It's cold. Imagine you didn't wear your thermal.
No, I would have had to left because look how beautiful this is. Like I feel like I'm in a Hans Zimmer soundtrack. Like this is incredible. I'll go in. Are we sure?
It got romantic.
Morning guys. Oh my god, the sky's actually clearing up. Today is a new day. We're actually doing some cinnamon baking today. We yesterday went to such a cute meal. I can't remember if I got footage of it, but it was so cute. And yeah, that's when we woke up this morning. The sky was actually so much darker, but we can see the mountains now. I am feeling a bit rough today. I had way too many champagnes, but yeah, today we're doing a cinnamon bun making. I'm so excited because cinnamon bun is literally one of my favorite like kind of treat snacks dessert. So I'm guessing in Sweden they're known for like their pastries and like stuff, so I'm guessing it's gonna be super cute. So I'm so excited. So let me show you the view. The sky is definitely clearing up and the snow stopping, but it's crazy seeing snow like this because in the UK we get snow, but it's never to this capacity. So if you guys don't get snow where you are, this is a little sight for you, but it looks cold out there, but it's so beautiful. Okay, so guys, we're literally just about to do cinnamon bun making. I am so excited. This is the outfit. I'm giving like a brown tonal vibe.
Do you need us to move on? Are we missing one chair? These are so cute.
It's like quite hard to get now.
Oh yeah, that's a chair.
Oh no, that's very low.
Yeah, but this is our dough. It has some cardamom and some stuff in it, so it's all yummy. And usually I just flatten it out a little bit with my hand and then just roll it out.
Do it with your bag.
I'm like,
Smells incredible. It does. Leave us.
I think I cut it the wrong way.
What is going on? Oh my god, it's so cute. At the end of the day, we've got Ben's cookies.
Cute. I like how you did the blush. Very cold girl. So we're just about to head to snowmobiling.
Okay.
I am so excited. Thank you. Oh my god, it's starting to snow, but this is gonna give very much the feeling. So it's about to get suited and booted. Oh.
Snowmobile shuts off, so it's an extra safety. To start the snowmobile, you flip this up and you have a lightning bolt there. You press and hold it, start.
Oh, we just finished snowmobiling. How'd you find it, Caress?
Really fun.
Did you like it?
Do it again.
Did you fear for your life?
A little bit, yeah, I did.
We're doing 80 miles per hour. So I'm not actually sure how much footage I'm going to have, but this is our last night in Chalet. How do you say it? Chalet Estrid. Today was so cute. We went on like a little quad bike snowmobile situation. I've actually done it before in Iceland, but it wasn't as smooth as today. So we're gonna got our last dinner today, and then we pack and leave tomorrow. I feel like it's been a very eventful few days. Very, very cool. Also very cold, but obviously it's a cold holiday, but so nice. I'm just wearing this all black outfit. Ritzier top, Stella pants, and the mare, like very casual. I haven't got any makeup on today because, guys, I'm breaking out so bad. I'm not sure if it's because I've been climatized to Brazil, but I'm breaking out so bad. But yeah, last dinner, I cannot wait.
Thank you to our lovely agency Purple for making this as seamless as it has been, and for making us all sure that we're all incredibly well fed, well watered, and had an amazing time.
So today is our last, day. We're going home today. I'm so sad, but it's been so beautiful here. Honestly, we just literally packed up all of our stuff and we're gonna have one last breakfast, but not in the chalet. We're gonna go to a hotel. But this chalet, guys, is honestly one of the most beautiful chalets I've ever, well, at least stayed in this one. It's so stunning. Let me give you one last tour. That's a view from outside. How beautiful is the kitchen? This kitchen is goals, and then we actually made, which you would have saw yesterday, we made some cinnamon buns. These are the aftermath. How stunning is this? This whole living room is bigger than my apartment. It's so nice. There's Caress. Look, it's so great outside because it snowed so much where we've been here. But it's just honestly so stunning. It's quite grey today, but you can still see a tiny bit of the clouds.